Let's create a beautiful bow tree topper from scratch. This elegant, very gorgeous, luxurious bow is going to be the star of the show. So what we're doing here is we're taking this 4-inch rose gold glitter ribbon and we're going to make two loops on each side. Make sure to leave a long tail because you're going to want that for your streamers. Then we're going to go in with this gorgeous 2.5-inch velvet ribbon. This ribbon is called a smoke blue. And again, you can see we're leaving a long tail and we're going to create loops on each side. Now, you can just keep going to ever how big you want the bow. And if you don't want it this big, you could also do less. And then you're still going to come out with the prettiest outcome for your bow. It's important to note that Tracy has not cut any of the ribbons that she has rolling. You can see that she has the ribbons on the ground. This makes it easier for her to create this bow and decide what she's going to do. So now she's going to go in with this beautiful 1.5-inch dusty rose velvet ribbon. Again, this tree topper is going to be gorgeous. It's actually on our vintage elegance tree. So she's going to go ahead and create those loops just like we've been doing before. So it's the same process, just layering one on top of the other. And what we do is we start from a large ribbon to a smaller one. So you can see she's got the 4-inch, she's got the 2.5-inch, and then the 1.5-inch. Now to give it an extra pop of color, she's gonna go in with this turquoise ribbon. This is also one of our velvets, and it's a 1.5-inch. You can find all of these ribbons at tmigifts.com, and she's gonna create the same thing. She's gonna go over the top of that with a few different loops, all while leaving beautiful streamers. That way she has those going throughout the tree. Now, a lot of people like to use pipe cleaners when securing their bow, but we like to use zip ties. We just find that it gets it tighter, and then what we do is we slip another zip tie in behind the one that is secured, and you can zip tie that to your tree. That way your bow never falls apart. You never have to worry about it loosening, and that's how we do it. So she's gonna go ahead and slip another one behind that and zip tie it to the top of the tree, and then you have a beautiful, luxurious bow that has streamers on it and acts as a tree topper. When you get it up there, you can fluff it up to the way you like it, and then bam, you have this gorgeous tree with a gorgeous tree topper and streamers coming all the way down. We hope that this tutorial was easy for you to follow and follow us for more.